Check out this pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This Chevrolet has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.
Take a look at this 2004 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner SR5 TRD package.